When we look up at the night sky, we believe we are simply observing stars. But in reality, we are witnessing messages sent across billions of years. Galaxies are not just collections of light and dust, they are records of cosmic history. Every spiral, every collision, every fading glow tells a story about survival, change, and extinction. The universe does not speak in words, yet galaxies silently explain what happens to everything that exists long enough. Galaxies are born from chaos. Clouds of gas collapse under gravity, stars ignite, and entire systems come to life. Over billions of years, these galaxies grow stronger, larger, and more complex, but growth always carries a cost. As galaxies expand, they attract danger. They collide with others, tear stars apart, and reshape everything inside them. This endless cycle of birth and destruction is not random. It follows strict cosmic rules. When scientists observe distant galaxies, they are not just studying space, they are studying time. Light from those galaxies began its journey billions of years ago, long before Earth even existed. This allows us to look into the past and understand patterns that repeat themselves. Galaxies show us that nothing powerful stays powerful forever. Even the largest cosmic structures eventually weaken, collide, or fade into darkness. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is not safe from this fate. Astronomers have confirmed that one day it will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. This event will not happen tomorrow or next year, but it is guaranteed. When it happens, stars will be thrown into new orbits, solar systems will be disrupted, and the night sky will change forever. The universe does not stop its plans for anyone, not even for us. Galaxies teach us the most important rule of the universe. Adaptation is survival. The galaxies that survive are the ones that change, absorb new material, and evolve. Those that remain static slowly lose energy and disappear. This rule does not apply only to stars and planets, it applies to civilizations as well. History on Earth proves the same lesson. Every civilization that failed to adapt eventually collapsed. From a cosmic perspective, Earth is incredibly fragile. Our entire history is less than a second on the universal clock. Galaxies have existed long before humans and will continue long after we are gone. They have witnessed countless beginnings and countless endings. It is possible that civilizations more advanced than ours once existed somewhere in the universe and vanished because they failed to move forward. Galaxies also show us something hopeful. Destruction is not always the end. When stars explode, they create the elements needed for new stars, new planets, and new life. Every ending creates the foundation for a beginning. This means humanity's future is not sealed by fear, but by choice. We can either remain confined to one planet or follow the natural path of the universe, expansion. Becoming a spacefaring civilization is not science fiction. It is the next step if humanity wants to survive on cosmic timescales. Galaxies expand, spread, and adapt, and so must we. Staying still in a universe that never stops moving is the most dangerous decision any civilization can make. The universe does not care about intentions, emotions, or beliefs. It only responds to action and evolution. Galaxies are not warning us with disasters, they are warning us with history. They show us what happens to those who ignore the rules of nature. The question is not whether the universe will change, it always does. The real question is whether humanity will learn from the galaxies or become another silent story written in the stars.